Oh my god, I just did the worst thing in the world. I made them go away, but alright, I mean they're still gonna be at the lake. I just couldn't help filming those beauties, the few beautiful swans. And it's funny how they're not white, they're just gray birds when they're born. It's just awesome. I guess they're the other side of this brush. Alright, that was fun. Poor little things. But more to the point, try to keep as much nature intact as you can. So try to lower your carbon footprint. And how is that related to being vegan? Well, use as little of resources as possible, so more land will be, instead of being agriculturally used and made into livestock feed, we can use more land to be, you know, wild and have birds around and have everything, as opposed to just making more and more corn and soy and feeding it to pigs and chicken and everybody else in order to kill them, in order to give ourselves cancer. We could just live next to beautiful, beautiful nature places in United States Midwest or European Middle Europe or many, many other places. So yeah, please just be more kind and be smarter than you already are. Alright, cheers.